Before we start this video, I just want to say thanks to everyone that showed us support on the recent video. All the comments were awesome. Had like over 150 comments of people just showing us support and that. And also to everyone that shared it on Facebook, thank you to them, because you know it got us a lot of views and recognition for this place, and it's just going to help us in the future. Yeah, so here's the building vid for this week.
We must pay homage to him.
Testing. So we're just starting to stack this dirt up. We make this lip just nice transition.
gotta do it. What the?
Yo!
Threes I was doing weren't the greatest, so I'm gonna try to tidy them up over the next couple of weeks. Thanks for watching that quick rebuilding vid. We'll have another video out this time next week, so stay tuned for that. Also, apparently coronavirus is affecting our school, so a good and bad thing, because it means that we're probably going to be making a lot more YouTube videos, so get keen for those. Oh no, next video is Bond's bike build. He got new parts, so we'll be making a video on that. That'll be coming out during this week. And also, next week should have a Sunday session out, and Bond's bike check will also be coming soon, so stay tuned for those. Turn on post notifications, and yeah, we're trying to push for 2 uploads each week. With coronavirus, it's probably going to be a lot easier to upload because we'll be down here a bit more, have a lot more time to film, so yeah.